Hello, good afternoon everyone. So today I am going to explain the very important feature of object-oriented programming, that is inheritance, which is also called as pillar of the object-oriented programming. So why it is called as pillar? For any building, for day-to-day life example, for any building, the building is totally built upon the pillars. That's why we used to call inheritance as a pillar, because this object-oriented programming is totally based on or built upon the basic four pillars, that is inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction and encapsulation. So in between these four pillars I am going to explain inheritance, which is very important topic. So in this session I am going to cover these points, that is what is inheritance, why inheritance, types of inheritance and how to use inheritance by using Java programming language. Now first of all I'll explain what is inheritance. So inheritance is nothing but acquiring some properties from already existing thing. For example, if a particular home is already built, so you can use that home. That is nothing but a person is acquiring properties of his previous generation. Now, second thing is why inheritance. So what is exact use of inheritance? Basic thing or very important use is reusability. So if a particular thing or particular implementation is already done, so instead of using or instead of writing same code again and again, we can reuse the already existing thing. That is the important use of inheritance. Another use of inheritance is it is used for overriding. Now, next point is types. So now which are the different types? So types are nothing but if I am using already existing class, so the existing class is called as superclass and the class which is using the previous class is called as subclass. So the based on types, the types are categorized as the single inheritance, multi-level, multiple, hierarchical inheritance and hybrid inheritance. Now we will discuss one by one. First example is a single inheritance in which there is a class A and class B. So class A is called as superclass and class B is called as subclass. Now example is if vehicle is a superclass, now two-wheeler is also a vehicle, type of vehicle. So two-wheeler is derived from this vehicle class. Now two-wheeler also contains properties which are the properties of vehicle class, plus it may have its own properties or attributes. Now another type is multi-level inheritance. Now in multi-level inheritance, which is kind of single inheritance, only the thing is there are multiple levels. So first level is a car. In car there is a Maruti, second class is a Maruti and third one is a Omni. So Omni is derived from Maruti and Maruti is derived from car. Now next example is multiple. I have marked this as star because Java doesn't support multiple inheritance by using class. So what exactly multiple inheritance is? In multiple inheritance there are more than one parent classes and one child class. For example, if A is a class, that is mom, B is a class, that is dad and third C is a class. So C is derived from A and B, that is child. Next example is hierarchical fourth type. This is nothing but hierarchy. So in hierarchy it is a tree-like structure. So this is root node and these are different childs. Okay. So in hierarchical inheritance, if we consider computer is a main class, so laptop and desktop, these are two types. So these are derived from this computer class. Next one is the hybrid inheritance. In hybrid inheritance, we can use any two types or combination of different types. For example, this is class A and class B. So class C is derived from class A and class B. Now in this level, C is now parent class and class D and E are derived from class C. Now again here star mark because hybrid is combination of any two. So in this example we have already used multiple inheritance and Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. That's why Java also doesn't support hybrid inheritance. Now these are only simple day-to-day life examples. Now how to use such an inheritance by using Java programming language. Now in this syntax, so syntax is like subclass name extends superclass name and we can write different statements inside these two brackets. Now simple example is mobile is my class and another class is smartphone. So mobile is my superclass and smartphone is my subclass. So definition will be smartphone extends mobile. So mobile contains basic properties, that is calling and text SMS. Smartphone also contains these properties, means smartphone inherits properties from mobile class, plus smartphone may have its own properties, that is extra properties like internet, video calling. So this is the simple example. By using such examples, we can implement any type of inheritance. Thank you.